There's this thing that happens about 2 minutes into using OpenArt Director, where you stop thinking about prompts and start thinking about your story. You're not engineering outputs anymore. You're just directing. Describing what you want, reacting to what comes back, adjusting the tone, changing a character's voice, pushing a scene harder. I've started calling it vibe directing because that's genuinely what it feels like. The video equivalent of vibe coding. And once it clicks, you can't go back to the old way. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what Director does, how it works, and why it's different from every other AI video tool I've used. Head to openart.ai/suite/director. Director is a conversational filmmaking tool, and I want to be precise about that word because it's doing a lot of work. It's not a prompt box that generates clips. It's not a storyboard tool you piece together manually. It's a full creative environment where you develop a story through chat, assign characters and voices, define your visual style, and generate a complete cinematic video, up to 5 minutes long, in a single continuous piece. 5 minutes. Most AI video tools are working in seconds. Director is working in minutes. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between a clip and a film. Here's how AI video production usually works. You generate an image. You turn it into a clip. You generate another image, another clip. You try to maintain character consistency across all of them, and mostly fail. Then you pull everything into an editor, stitch it together, and spend another hour trying to make it feel like one coherent piece. By the end, you've used 4 or 5 different tools, and the result still feels assembled rather than directed. Director replaces that entire chain. Characters, voices, visual style, brand elements, scene progression, all of it lives in one project, stays consistent from scene 1 to the end, and evolves through conversation. You're not managing a production pipeline. You're having a creative conversation that builds into a film. Open a new project and you'll see the chat interface front and center. This is where everything starts. I'm going to make a short film. A 1-minute narrative about a street photographer who discovers the same stranger appearing in every photo she's ever taken. I type that concept into chat. Director doesn't just acknowledge it, it starts developing it. It asks clarifying questions, suggests how to structure the opening scene, proposes a visual tone. We go back and forth a few times. I say I want a gritty urban feel, high contrast, almost noir. Director locks that in. Now characters. I type, the photographer is in her early 30s, sharp eyes, worn camera bag, moves like someone who notices everything. Director builds her visual description, personality notes, the whole profile. I assign her a voice. I can generate a new voice, upload a reference, or use my own. I generate one that fits. Low, observant, slightly wry. She sounds like someone who's seen things. The stranger gets his own profile. Quiet, always slightly out of frame, never quite looking at the camera. Director keeps both characters consistent across every scene without me having to re-describe them. I define them once. They hold. Now I describe the opening shot. Wide street scene, early morning, low fog. She raises her camera. Director generates the scene. I watch the output. The fog is right. The framing is right. The light is exactly the kind of gray-blue I had in my head. Here's where the vibe directing thing really kicks in. I didn't write a technical prompt. I described a feeling, and it translated. I type, make the stranger appear in the background of this shot, barely visible, slightly out of focus. One chat instruction. Director updates the scene. He's there, half hidden behind a bus shelter. Perfect. If you want more precise control, switch to the timeline view. Each scene is laid out as individual shots. You can click into any shot and adjust the duration, change the camera movement, rewrite the dialogue, or regenerate just that moment without touching anything else. The rest of the film stays intact. This is the part that matters for creators who want both: the creative speed of conversation and the technical precision of proper editing. Director gives you both in the same tool. Chat when you're in flow. Timeline when you need to be exact. Director handles text, images, video, audio, music, and voice, all together. If you have a reference image for a location, Drop it in. If you have a piece of music you want the pacing to follow, upload it. If you want a character to speak in Japanese with accurate lip sync, Director handles it. 8+ languages with phoneme-level lip sync, meaning the mouth movements are actually matching the sounds, not just approximating them. For creators making content for international audiences or musicians making videos in their native language, this alone is significant. The thing I keep coming back to is consistency. Every AI video tool I've used before Director has a version of the same problem. Your character looks slightly different in Scene 3 than they did in Scene 1. The lighting shifts. The style drifts. By the end of a longer piece, it feels like a collection of moments rather than a story. Director holds. The photographer looks the same in the final scene as she does in the first. The color grade doesn't drift. The stranger's silhouette stays recognizable. That consistency is what makes it feel like a film instead of a demo reel. This is the tool I've been waiting for, not because it does everything automatically, but because it finally puts the creative direction back in the creator's hands. You're not fighting the software, you're just directing, describing, reacting, shaping. Vibe directing your way through a story that actually holds together start to finish. OpenArt Director is live now at openart.ai/suite/director. Use the link in my description for 15% off the monthly plan. And if you're serious about output volume, check out the annual Wonder Plan. It's the best value by far. Link is below. Go make something cinematic. I'll see you in the next one.